Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the background from any image using Canva, step by step. No Photoshop, no complicated tools, just a few simple clicks in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the Canva homepage. On the left side, click on the Videos option. Now, choose the landscape YouTube size. Wait for it to load. Your Canva editing interface will open. Next, click on the Elements option on the left panel. In the search bar, type anything you want. I'll type mountain photos, then press enter. Now click on the Photos tab. Pick any image you like and click on it. It will appear on your canvas. Here, you'll see the background remover option. Click it, and Canva will automatically remove the background for you. And there you go. The background is gone. If you want to download the image, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Then choose Download, and click Download again. Your image or video will start downloading instantly. And that's it. That's how easy it is to remove a background in Canva. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what Canva tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.